Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at column method addition. So the first question reads 6,000 plus 90. So what we do is we write 6,000 at the top and 90 at the bottom. Remember, because we are adding, you need to make sure that you align the numbers correctly in the ones, the tens, the hundreds and the thousands. So what we're doing here is we're simply adding using column method. So the first step is to start off with the ones, so we do 0 plus 0, which is 0. The next row would be 0 plus 9, which gives us 9. And then 0 plus nothing is just 0. And the final column is your thousands. 6 plus nothing is 6. So your final answer is 6,090. So in your answer sheet or in the box here, we'll just write 6,090. And that's a simple way of adding using column method. Let's have a look at another question. So question 2, 8,275 plus 82. So same thing, 8,275 plus 82. Remember, when you're adding, you need to align the numbers correctly in the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. So let's start off with the ones, and then the tens, then the hundreds, and then the thousands. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then the next row would be 7 plus 8, which gives us 15. So I put a 5 and I carry over a 1. Next up, we have 2 plus the 1 that we've carried over, which gives us 3. And then 8 plus nothing is just 8. So your answer here is 8,357. So it's very simple, and it's something that you should be able to do with lots of practice. Remember, when we did 7 plus 8, the answer was 15. So we cannot write 15 there because we need to carry over. So you put the 5, as you can see here, and the 1 I've carried over here to the next row. So you have 2 plus 1, which gives us 3, and then 8 plus nothing is just 8. And that is how you work out using column method addition. I hope you found this video beneficial and insightful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.